So we'll begin by selecting the scans folder and then open scans. So let's grab two scans here, click open, and we'll just accept the defaults and click OK. Next, we can drag the scans individually into the scene window, or just grab the entire scans folder and drag and drop that into the scene window. So let's look at creating a section of pipe. To do that, we'll begin by selecting the scans folder, right-clicking with the mouse, create pipelines, and we'll just click accept. So I'll pick a point on this pipe here and press Y on the keyboard and choose accept. Let's move to this piece and we'll do the same thing. Okay, now let's insert an elbow between these two sections. So piping, insert, elbow. We'll select the first section of pipe, set 1. Select the second section, set 2. Click accept. Okay, so now let's look at creating a mesh. So I'm going to click a point here, center on that, and quickly we'll move over to the volume tools, and I'll just do a quick volume. I'm going to move over to the scene window and I'm going to hide this green scan. Switch back over to home and let's grab the Polygon select tool and let's select these points. Double click. Going to switch over to selected. So I just see the selected points. Now I don't need any of this, so we'll just start clicking and then hold down the control button and double click to deselect. All right. Models, meshing tools. New mesh set, and we'll generate a mesh from the selection. I'm going to switch over to home and I'm going to clear my selected points. And now we're just looking at the mesh.